Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to do a makeup challenge, a random color pick makeup challenge. Now I have seen this challenge done by a lot of YouTubers and it was so much fun to watch. So I thought let me do this for you guys also. Also I want to say that I'm doing this video especially for someone who made a comment in my first upload of last to last video. I'm saying first upload because I deleted it due to a YouTube error. Anyway, she made a comment that she would love to see a makeup challenge. So if you are seeing this is especially for you. So before I begin with the makeup challenge, I need to tell you this how this challenge will work if you haven't seen it. So as I'm going through my makeup steps, I will first use this app which is used to generate random colors. So on a tap it will randomly pick a color. So with every makeup step I will first tap here and whatever color I have, that will go in my face. For example, if I get blue for my eyeshadows, blue it is. If I get green for my eyebrows, green it is. So don't worry, if you haven't understood, you will know when you see. So let's begin. Okay, so our first step in any makeup routine is a primer, right? Now obviously you don't have colorful primers, do we? No. But if I get any color right here other than white, then I'm gonna mix my eyeshadow to make it that color. So let's see what our first color is. It is purple. Also I do want to say that I may not have exact same colors, so whatever colors I can find close to the color that is in the color generator, I will use that. So I'm supposed to use a purple primer. Also I don't want to call it a challenge because a challenge is like you are given difficulties but still you're able to achieve something. But with so many colors I don't think I can achieve a decent look. So anyway, let's go with our purple priming. First I'm going to take some primer on my hand, see here, yeah, and I'm gonna mix purple. You can see I have taken it. Let's do this. Actually I don't think it's gonna make a much difference. No. Next step in my makeup routine is to use a corrector, and let's see what color are we applying as a color corrector today. It's green. Okay, I have this green and I'm going to use it as my color corrector. Wait a minute, I have a kohl pencil in green. So stupid of me. I have this kohl pencil. So I'm going to apply this in all the places wherever I apply my color corrector. Oh my god. Okay, next product. Off with the color. I think this is from the last one. Green again. How am I supposed to get green foundation? Oh no. I'm going to mix this light shade of green here. Okay, this is as far as green as it can get. Let's apply it. It's not mixing well. But you can definitely see some green there. Okay, not that bad, but I definitely look green. Okay, so next go with our next color. Red concealing. I am first taking my lipstick here and taking a swatch. Then I'm gonna take my concealer. We're gonna mix this and apply. Okay, hopefully red and green make a skin color. Really? Okay, so our powder color should be. You've got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. Green. I'm going again with this color. That's all, folks. That's all. So let's see what is the color for our eyes. It was blue. It was blue first. Yes. This color generator is not good. It's only generating greens for me. Okay, anyway, so I have this blue here and I'm gonna use this. This also counts as a green, right? I could have used this. Anyway, we're gonna go with this blue. Okay, so crease color done. Now we're gonna choose a color for our lid. Let's see what is the color. And I hope it's not green again. Oh, it's a violet kind of situation. And I think I have, sorry, I see only this color matching. Wait, let me see if there are other colors also matching. I think this one for matte matches pretty well. Yeah, I think this is better than using a shimmer eyeshadow all over a green base. Let's do this. Choose our lower lash line color. Blue. Good. Good. For once. Because it goes with my crease. Okay, done. Let's choose our tear duct color. I'm gonna assume it as gold. So this is the closest color I could find in all of the palettes that I have. So this is going in my tear duct area. Done. Let's see what I'm supposed to do. I want to apply a glitter in the middle of my lids. Let's see what color is that. I think these two colors are matching. Yeah. Okay, so our next color is blush and I hope it is orange, pink or anything related to red. Right. See this one? Yeah, this is going in as my blush. Okay, so I am skipping highlighter because I want to. No, I can't do that. Okay, next. Blue. I don't have any blue shimmery shade, so next. This is dark blue. I have one dark blue, but it's not shimmery enough. Next. Again. So I have this green as a shimmer shade, so let's apply it as my highlighter. Finally remains my lipstick, and I'm not gonna do for mascara and kajal because my eye is really sensitive, and if I try to use any eyeshadow powder, which I don't think anyone should ever, so I'm avoiding it only in that. If I had colorful mascaras or colorful kajal, I would have used, but since I don't have, I will not allow myself to use. So the last thing that I'm going to use on my face is a lipstick, and let's see what color shall we get for lipstick. I'm gonna take that as a pink. Okay, so for pink I have Nika Naughty Nude lipstick. So we're gonna go with this. Actually, I do have a purple one. It's a lip liner. Let's use that on the top. I forgot. Look horrible. That's it. This is the whole look. So how does it look, guys? I didn't do my eyebrows. I'm so sorry. Wait a minute. Okay, what color is for eyebrow? It's the same color as the color that I used as blush. I don't think I can get the pigment to really go on my brows, but let's try. It's working. It's working. Alright guys, this is the look. This is how we are looking after this makeup challenge. How do I look? How do I look? Let me show you up close in front of my window where you can see better.
Okay, so I seem to have deleted the clips that I wanted to show you. Well, it was basically me before the window showing you how it actually looks in proper lighting. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this makeup challenge. I hope you enjoyed it. And so I'll see you next week. Until then, take care. Bye.